What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony CH710N wireless noise canceling over-the-ear headphones in black I picked up at Best Buy for $128, down from $199. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.1 out of 5. Out of 39 customer reviews, they come in black and gray. I have them here in black. There was a Sony CH710N. They, interestingly enough, were on sale at Best Buy also for $128, even though they are the older model CH700 item. I actually picked up the Sony CH510 wireless headphones from Walmart for $60 a couple of months ago and did an unboxing and a first impressions of them. I absolutely adore these headphones. They sound phenomenal. The only downside to them is that they don't have active noise cancellation. I have tried other headphones on the market in that price range of $60 with noise cancellation. Unfortunately, they didn't add up and didn't sound as great as I'd like them to be. So I finally bit the bullet and stepped up to something a little bit better, the Sony CH710N. The N stands for noise canceling. Yeah, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions. I really hope that these sort of bridge the gap in between the Sony CH510 and the Sony XM3, Sony's premium wireless headphones. I hope these, like I said, bridge the gap and offer noise canceling and the same superb audio quality that you get with the Sony CH510. So we've got this beautiful box right in front of us here. As you can see, they are noise canceling, they're wireless, they've got 35 hours playtime, they are Bluetooth, obviously. These actually look like the Sony WF-1000 XM3. They've got this sort of oval shaped ear cup and driver. If we flip over the back of the box here, we do get what looks to be on the side of the ear cup controls, button controls, similar to the Sony CH510. So you should be able to adjust the volume, play, pause, fast forward, rewind, answer and receive phone calls, activate the voice assistant. There is a headphone cable included, and just like the Sony CH510, these are USB Type-C. So if you're looking for USB Type-C headphones, these are modern and will utilize USB Type-C, so you shouldn't have a problem there. 10 minutes of charge is 60 minutes of playtime, which is phenomenal for noise canceling headphones. The Sony CH510 are completely wireless. There's no headphone jack on these, so really nice to see that you do get that option with the 710N. So I guess if you are going to listen to them on an airplane and plug these in, you know, to the side of the chair or whatever, into the armrest, you should be able to do so. It's been, you know, about a week or so since I've done an unboxing and a first impression, so we'll just go ahead and slide the box right on out there. And you get this pretty plain cardboard box, nothing really all that special. It's a little flap on the side there. Go ahead and just lift off. And just like the Sony CH510, the unboxing and first impressions is pretty similar. You get the headphones in this sort of wrapping paper, just like the CH510. We'll put them off to the side just momentarily. And then it looks like in the box you get your USB charging cable and what looks to be a 3.5 to 3.5. So like I said, you do get that USB-C charging cable, which is really nice. So if you charge with USB Type-C, and then of course that 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. And then last but not least, we get some quick start guides, but we're not going to look at any of those. Let's go ahead and bring the headphones in here. There's just a little piece of tape on the back. Okay, these look absolutely phenomenal so far. They look really comfortable. So you get this really nice padded, cushioned ear cup. Actually really fascinating about these headphones is it looks like underneath the ear cup is this sort of red sticker here, and it looks like you're gonna have to sort of just open up the ear cup and sort of peel this red sticker off. Much more stylish, I would say, than the old 700N. Yeah, these are actually really nice, pretty discreet. You get the Sony logo. You do get what looks to be an active noise cancellation and an ambient pass-through button, which is really cool. And then last but not least, on the headphone itself there, you do get what looks like a blinking LED indicator light that lets us know that they are ready to pair. Markers here to let you know that this is an adjustable headband. You do get some tactility and some feedback, which is really nice. Oh, and last thing I wanted to mention was they simply swivel. They are in pairing mode. Let me go ahead and just adjust. Whoa. The active noise cancellation is phenomenal. Seriously, really good. Okay, hopefully the audio quality is just as good. Okay, so we have the headphones on. We're gonna go over to Bluetooth here. And right when you turn them on, they do pair automatically. So CH710N should come up at the very bottom of your Bluetooth list. And I actually just activated ambient pass-through mode, and it does amplify your voice. But what I've noticed is that the noise isolation does hinder you a little bit from hearing yourself as clearly as, say, a pair of wireless earbuds with the same feature. So like when I use ambient pass-through on my AirPods Pro, I can hear myself like I was talking to myself, but this sounds a little bit muffled comparatively, and not a bad thing, it's just because these are over-the-ear headphones. So you can listen to these without noise canceling or ambient pass-through. You actually have 3 options, even though it only lists 2. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some music for a few minutes, and then I'll come back with my first impressions. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. First off, these are phenomenally comfortable, and the active noise cancellation really is top-notch. Audio quality probably isn't going to be as good as the CH710N. Those are obviously our $300 headphones, and they sound much better. But one thing I did notice when I first put them on my head was I did have them on a flat EQ setting, which usually kind of reduces the bass a little bit and makes the music a little bit louder and a little bit more crisp. I actually had to turn bass reducer on. The bass I thought was just a tad on the heavy side. It wasn't overpowering like some other headphones I've listened to in the past. But once I turned bass reducer on, I do listen to hip hop, so you know that's kind of my fault. But nonetheless, when I turn bass reducer on, they do sound crisp and clear again. I would like them to go a little bit louder, but they're actually just as loud as the Sony CH710, which I absolutely adore. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the Sony CH710 do about 78, 79 decibels at half volume. These do the same. So really that just shows you how good Sony products are, that even their lowest range headphone can perform on par with the more mid-tier range headphone. And then when I took these up to full volume, I was getting about 103 decibels. So these are going to be as loud as your other headphones on the market. That, of course, doesn't really matter. What matters is good, clear audio quality. And I think you're gonna find that with these, but you're gonna have to play around with your EQ settings just a little bit to find the perfect balance. What's a little bit unfortunate is I do like to go back and forth between headphones. I like to wear my AirPods sometimes, and other times I like to wear the Sony CH710. So what's gonna be a little bit unfortunate is I'm gonna have to go in and adjust the EQ setting each time I swap them out. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions of the Sony CH710N. I picked up at Best Buy for $128 from $199. Yes, they are pretty expensive at $200, and yes, you might not be able to get these at $130 just because they might be sold out by the time you get to your local Best Buy. But let me tell you something, I've seen these on sale before. As soon as they came out months ago, they went right on sale. Then they went back up to 200. Now they're back down to 130. So just keep your eyes peeled. I loved my CH510. Now I'm really going to enjoy the 710N. My only critique is that I wish they did sound a little bit clearer and a little bit crisper, but you know, like I said, if you play around with those EQ settings, you're gonna find something that works for you. Anyways, guys, that is going to do it for this video. We're running out of time. My name is John because I picked them up at Best Buy. That does make them a big box good because Best Buy is a big box retailer. I suppose if you pick these up using Amazon Prime, that would make them a convenience good. However, you choose to buy them. I will leave links in the description below for both Amazon and Best Buy, whichever you want to take a look at and do your own research on. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will see you in the next one.